I have the P.Louise haul. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Hold on. No. I don't know why I tried to pick them all up like that, but I have 5 P.Louise packages ready to unbox for you guys. I've had them for a while and I've just been holding on to them, but I'm ready to play in them. So, unboxing time. Starting off with a bang, the P.Louise and Michaela collection. Now, if you know, you know, but that P.Louise collection, the P.Louise x Michaela collection sold fast as I don't know what, so I couldn't get everything. But what I did get was the beautiful brush set. Look at that packaging. I love all of the packages with the little heart locks. I can't take it. And in this one becomes 5 gorgeous face brushes. And then this little pocket right here. Oh, 5 more eye brushes. And I was also able to get my hands on the palette. And can I just say, I think that is the most adorable thing to have her and her husband on the cover of it. Go ahead, girl. Gotta pick you guys up so you can see all the shadows in their full glory. The shimmers are absolutely everything. Oh, I'm in love. Moving on to our next box. Of course, I had to get some more essential brushes. P.Louise brushes are so good. And enter the World of Wonder palette. Let me turn around so y'all can see me inside. So inside of this one, it is a purple heaven in here. And then, bonus. Slide this out. Hold on. And once you slide that out, you get 21 more gorgeous purple shades. I love the shimmers. I'm a shimmer girly. Ugh. And now enters a Desert Full of Desire palette. Now this is gonna be your neutrals. Your neutrals. And here are the inside of this palette. So you got your lovely warm tone browns at the bottom. At the top, and then cool tone browns at the bottom. Oh, isn't this beautiful? This is gonna be like my everyday palette. And on to our third P.Louise box. So I got the really popular brow balm. I actually haven't really used brow. Oh, it's wrapped up. I'll show y'all this another time. And it also came with a little tiny spoolie brush. I think that's cute. But I haven't really dove into brow gel products yet. But I'm interested. Let's see how this goes. I also got the Choice Lash Box. Comes with 10 lashes. And look how pretty they are. Look how fluffy. Fluffy lashes are the absolute best. Then we have the Wrap It Up Powder Highlighter Palette. Wait for this, y'all. Now wait for this, y'all. This is the most beautiful highlighter I have ever seen in my life. I am so excited to dip my brushes in those. Oh, the detail, the shift in each one. Oh, I literally cannot. This is the most beautiful thing I think I've ever owned makeup-wise. I'm so excited for this. Just for funsies, let's swatch one. I'm thinking this one with this kind of like blue purple shift. Oh, that's so pretty. I should have done my side. Hold on. That's so pretty. Oh, I can't. And I also got the Wrap It Up blush palette. So once you open that up, it's all your peachy, super pink vibes. Beautiful, beautiful. My kind of shades. Pink girly for life. And finally in this box, I got the one and only Wedding XL palette. And here is the inside of her. I've been super interested in getting into bridal makeup, and they said this is the one to get. Look at the shimmers. It's beautiful. This might be an everyday palette too, actually, just for me. And on to our fourth P.Louise box. I got a little Juicy Drip, which if you don't know is a lip scrub and a lip mask, I believe. And it comes in a little carton of juice. This is how it looks on the inside. A little bottle of their repair lotion. I also got their Rich Bitch highlighter, but unfortunately it is broken. So I think it might be too late to send it back, but I don't know, maybe I'll try to pack it down myself. And I also got the If the Crown Fits palette. And here's the inside of If the Crown Fits palette. Still on the neutral side, but incorporating some oranges and some yellows. Still gorgeous. And last, but finally not least, the fifth and heaviest P.Louise box. This box is filled to the brim of product, okay? Starting off, we have the So Foamy So Fly facial cleanser. We also have the Ready Set Slay setting spray. Look how cute that packaging is. That is freaking adorable. Just for fun. Just for fun. Oh, it's such a light mist. And it kind of smells, it has a scent. I don't know what it smells like. It's not bad though. I want a lot of it. Now, I don't know if I feel like that like stiff feeling setting sprays can give you, but my face feels hydrated than ever now. That feels great. How does it look? Then I have two finishing touch all over body glows. So we have Butterfly Heart, which is like a silvery body glow. And then we have Fairy Wings, which is a green, it's like a silver, but it's a green, purple, pink shifting one. I don't know if you can see the other colors, it just looks green. But trust me, it's more colors in there. Just a better look at the colors. It's like, you see like that rainbow shift in there? That's beautiful. Of course, I also got the Believe in Your Bristles brush set. Just so you can, hold on. I had to figure out how to open it. It's a book. So more brushes. You can never have too many brushes, okay? And I have all 5 of the You Give Me Butterflies palettes. Let me open this so you guys can see the inside. Starting with the purple palette. The pink / red / orange. The blue. The freaking blue. The yellow. The yellow is no joke. The yellow is no joke at all. And the green. And I also got 3 See Color in Your Darkest Days cream and powder blusher sets. This one is going to be Secret Garden, which is going to be your orange blusher sets. You have your creams at the top and your powders at the bottom. This one is Destiny's Door, your purple shades. This one I'm obsessed with. I have to try that one first. And Love Lane, which is going to be your pink blushes. How gorgeous. And the last item in our haul is the AM to PM palette. Are you guys ready? Because this is the palette I'm the most obsessed with. Look at that. This is the best rainbow palette I have ever gotten. Oh my gosh. Yes. All the looks. All the looks. Expect. And that is everything in my P.Louise haul. I hope you guys are excited as I am. And let me know what products y'all want to see me try first. Just let me know. I'm excited. Mwah.